Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sweet potatoes, and I have a list of food and flavor combinations that are known to pair well with sweet potatoes. So if you're looking for some specific menu or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is very long and it's been broken up into two parts. This is part 2. I have a link to part 1 below in case you haven't seen it. Combine sweet potatoes with chilies and honey. Try sweet potatoes with chocolate, cinnamon, nuts, and vanilla. Doesn't that sound good? How about sweet potatoes with coconut milk and curry spices? Sweet potatoes with garlic and herbs such as rosemary, sage, and/or thyme. Combine sweet potatoes with ginger, honey, sesame seeds, and/or sesame oil, and soy sauce. Combine sweet potatoes with ginger, lime, and pears. Sweet potatoes with ginger, orange, and yogurt. Sweet potatoes with ginger, sesame oil, and/or sesame seeds. Sweet potatoes with greens of any type and quinoa. Sweet potatoes with honey and lime. Sweet potatoes with maple syrup and pecans. Sweet potatoes with molasses and sesame seeds. Sweet potatoes with nuts and raisins, and sweet potatoes with sesame seeds and/or oil, and also soy sauce. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.